The MoJack HDL 500 hydraulic jack is expertly designed for zero-turn radius riding lawnmower maintenance, offering a strong lifting capacity of up to 500 pounds. Crafted from highly durable steel, this hydraulic lift system ensures long-lasting performance while providing a safe and secure multi-level braking system. With its hydraulic cylinder, the jack simplifies the process of raising and lowering lawnmowers, garden tractors, and more, making maintenance tasks faster and safer. Featuring adjustable wheel pads and a maximum lift height of 24 inches, this jack provides excellent flexibility for various equipment sizes. The MoJack HDL 500 includes a safety strap for added security, making it a reliable choice for repair and maintenance tasks such as blade sharpening and debris removal. Ideal for do-it-yourself enthusiasts, this hydraulic jack allows most blades to be changed in minutes, providing significant savings compared to dealer services.